In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can switch your search engine from Google to DuckDuckGo on your Brave browser. To do so, it is quite easy. Just go over to this menu here and then click on it and then look for the settings option, which is down here. If you click on it, it will open your settings page. And then on this left menu, look for the option called search engine. If you click on it, you can see the current search engine is set to Google. To change this to DuckDuckGo, go ahead and click on change, and then you'll see a list of search engines that are available for you. Go ahead and choose DuckDuckGo and then set as default. Now if we open a new window, you can see the search engine has been changed from Google to DuckDuckGo. So that's how you can change your search engine from Google to DuckDuckGo on your Brave browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.